good funny one. Blueray. I haven't had a Blueray issue in years. I just wanted because I've never had one in so long. Blueray help. This is on Windows, or they opened it under Windows. I have burned data files to 90 gig Blu-ray discs using File Explorer native burning. Is it possible to finalize these discs so they are unwritable without using any third-party software? Any help is, let me think about that. I have burned data files to 90 gig Blu-ray discs using File Explorer native burning. Is it possible to finalize these discs so they are unwritable without using any third-party software? Well, writable versus unwritable is typically a feature of the Blu-ray disc itself. Some discs are RW or rewritable. If it is rewritable, then you can still put data on it without it locking you out. Okay, my answer, true, is a CD-ROM answer. So let me check and make sure. Blu-ray disc rewritable. Images. Yeah, okay, so they do have BDR versus BDRW. Yeah, Blu-ray disc, rewritable disc, and then rewritable, and then Blu-ray disc. Yeah. Okay, so we are on the right track. It's the exact same way as CD-ROM drives. Well, rewritable versus unwritable, writable versus unwritable is typically a feature of the Blu-ray disc itself. Some discs are rewritable or RW. Okay, let me just, wow, that is a lot to say. That is a mouthful. Hold on. Are rewritable or rewritable, RW or rewritable. If it is rewritable, fix all this. If it is rewritable, then you can still put data on it without it locking you out. Otherwise, without it locking you out. But there is no way to stop it. There's no way to, quote unquote, there's no way to finalize it. But there's no way to finalize it per se. Okay, so we'll go with that, right? I'm not gonna talk about that again because it's hard to actually say that, but it's hard to, there should be no finalizing it unless it's a I think that he may have actually just purchased regular old Blu-ray disc drives or Blu-ray disc, and he's always been used to burning and then it automatically finalizing the situation. But in this particular case here, he probably has a rewritable disc and he doesn't realize it. So that's what I say to this.